official announcement that, in case you're thinking it was a rumor, although it was his daughter that announced it, but we have lost ath Taiwo Hassan, aka Ogogo. We lost him to the cold hands of death today. Enjoying the movie, but we just want to take one moment away from the movie. As you all may know already, we suffered a very great tragedy today.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi, arákùnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Femi branch ó ti jáde wá mọ̀nà Alhaji Taiwo Hassan ní movie premiere tí wọ́n lọ ṣe. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, wàhálà ńlá ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Yoruba movie industry ní alẹ́ àná bí arákùnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Ogogo bí ó ṣe jáde láyé tí ó jọ́lọ̀ nípè ní àná. Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ rẹ̀ àti gbogbo mọ̀lẹ́bí àtàwọn kọ̀líìgì rẹ̀ ni wọ́n sọ wípé àwọn ṣe dárò rẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, ẹ jẹ́ ká wo fọ́nrán yìí parí.
A very great tragedy. We lost one of our fathers in the industry. I have been mandated by the elders in the industry to make this official announcement that, in case you're thinking it was a rumor, although it was his daughter that announced it, but we have lost ath Taiwo Hassan, aka Ogogo. We lost him to the cold hands of death today after a long battle with cancer. The entire industry, and I'm not just talking about Yoruba movie industry, the entire Nollywood, the entire nation, because he was a national icon. He was a national treasure. And I feel personally pained because this was the very first celebrity I ever crushed on, even before I became an actor. And the first time I had the opportunity to meet him on set, that was the first thing I told him. He couldn't even remember. He's somebody that is very dear to a lot of us. It's just that tonight has already been planned, money has already been spent, so much has gone into planning, that's why we just had to turn up. If not, you can notice that there are a lot of people that couldn't be here today. All of the elders, there's no way they can be here. They were dressed, they were ready. I heard on the way. Some people had to turn back. Some people were dressed already and had to just, in fact, it was Prince Dide Kosoko that called and told me that, look, you have to do this, there's no way he can be here, which of course I understand. So, that is the official announcement. He will be laid to rest tomorrow by 11 a.m. in Ilaro at the pavilion in Ilaro town. So, any of you that can make it there will appreciate it, but more will appreciate your prayers for the family, his children that he has left behind. May his soul rest in perfect peace, and may God bless the children and the family that he has left behind. If you are not too much in a hurry, before we go ahead, can we please have a minute's silence in honor of ath Taiwo Hassan Ogogo.